Because in that ocean of milk they churned, and they got an elephant, they got jewels, they got gems and jewels, and they had all gems. Everyone wants gems and jewels. They got Lakshmi personified. Everyone wants money. Everyone wants money. And Lakshmi personified was produced from that ocean. And the personification, all gems, it's red in color, it's like ruby color. The red Kaustuva money was produced there. So gems, so all kinds of money and all kinds of women. What more people want? Fabulous enjoyment. At least men, they want beautiful women. So all wealth, all gems, and then amazing creatures like Airavata. So many things. And then a moon planet. But everyone wanted one thing, Amrit. Because if you have Amrit, then you have Lakshmi. Because Amrit means immortality. Amrit means full strength. Amrit means sweet pleasure. Amrit means full satisfaction. All these things are in Amrit. So they're all striving for that Amrit. Because even all the money in the world, even all the most beautiful men or women in the world, and even all the most amazing animals and livestock and elephants and lions and gems, they can't make you happy. They can't make you immortal. But if you have the Amrit, then you get everything. Immortality. So they wanted that. And then, so that's why we say the Nam is that Amrit. So you churn the ocean of this Bhava Sagar, and you churn the ocean, and out comes the holy name from the ocean. And that's what Lord Chaitanya has come to give. Lord, chanting Krishna's name is in every yuga. And the Bhagavatam has been around for 5,000 years. But no one has picked up on chanting the holy name. There's so many sampradayas have arisen in the last 5,000 years. I mean, the four sampradayas are eternal. Brahma Sampradaya, Sri Sampradaya, Rudra Sampradaya, and then the four Kumaras, like this. They're eternal, but the popular exponents of those sampradayas, Madhvacharya, Nimbarkacharya, Vishnu Swami, and like this, they all propagated different teachings of bhakti and different teachings of sadhana. But none of them emphasized or even discussed the holy name. And they all write about on the Bhagavatam, and they all speak on the Bhagavatam, and Madhvas and the Ramanandis and everyone. So the holy name is there, but it's only when Lord Chaitanya came and his subsequent followers, the six Goswamis and the Vishwanath, etc., that he actually took out of the Bhagavatam and said, "This is everyone read the Bhagavatam. All these acharyas, they taught and read and spread the Bhagavatam, but no one picked up this thing from the Bhagavatam." So he picked up the particular thing, the holy name, which is mentioned in the first canto. It's very much mentioned in the sixth canto. And the last verse of the Bhagavatam is glorifying the holy name, Nam Sankirtan. You get everything by Nam Sankirtan. So it seems clear that the Bhagavatam is glorifying the practice of Harinam Sankirtan. But for 5,000 years, nothing was happening, because that was Lord Chaitanya's purpose. That was his contribution for the Kali Yuga. So he came and brought that out, and this is the real Amrit. So the Bhagavatam is telling about the churning of the ocean of milk to get the Amrit that was carried in the Kumbha by Mohini and distributed to the Devas and the demons, last, whatever was left. But the actual Bhagavatam itself, if you churn the Bhagavatam, you'll get two things from the Bhagavatam. The nectar of the holy name, Nam Amrit, and the nectar of Gopi Bhav. These are in the Radharani's Prem, Mananakya Mahabhav. This is the actual burfi of the Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam is considered to be like a milk, the cream of the Vedas. It says that in the beginning of the Bhagavatam. The cream of the Vedic literature. So the Vedic literature is like milk, but cream, that's not the final point. Because from cream you can make ice cream. So the ice cream of the Bhagavatam, The cream of the Vedas is Bhagavatam, and the ice cream of the Bhagavatam is Radharani's love in Vrindavan. So this is the real Amrit. This is the holy name of the Lord. So the Goswamis were successful living in Vrindavan because they were non-envious and they honored everyone, they loved everyone, and they didn't leave. They took a vow to not leave.